Wow.
Here's what I have to say. I hope my hips last.
Right?
$106,000 for a hip replacement surgery.
That's an
I'll limp.
estimate.
If you ever see me walking funny, it's just because
You're saving money.
If I had $10 billion, I would not give $106,000 to somebody to replace my hip. Sorry, that's just the way I am.
Well, hopefully everything's going to start to get tidy. It's not like you're going to McDonald's and, looking at the board and just picking what you want. There's a lot of complicated things. It reminds me a lot of the weather, actually. It's complicated, right? It's not exactly cut and dry, is it, Matt Wins?
He wishes.
No, I wish we had a menu as well where we could just pick and choose exactly what it would be and when.
I would like it to be 75 and
Mother
partly
Nature
cloudy.
doesn't work that way.
Yeah, I would like that too.
Right.
Here's your weather word for the day, Matt. It's sunscreen, because I was outdoors all weekend long without it.
Oh.
And that is a terrible. My whole body feels like I've been dipped in acid.
Let me look up some dermatology prices here around Northeast Ohio. I'll find you a good deal.
Sunscreen,
Betsy,
my friend.
during this forecast, you might want to do a skin check on Jay.
I know, right?
Keep your shirt on, keep it clean, but yeah, you might want to check Jay's skin for sure. Sorry, buddy. You got to wear that stuff. It makes you feel a little bit better for sure, but we'll get it in the forecast as a reminder for you for sure. But let's talk temperatures a little bit lower than today than yesterday. We have that cooler air coming with the boundary that produced the rain last night. That boundary is stuck just down to our south, so we've got nice breeze off the lake, 70s lakeshore, 80s inland. It is still a muggy afternoon, though. The dew points, once that rain came in yesterday, have just held. We had some fog and low clouds this morning. The dew points right now in the mid and upper 60s. That's some pretty humid air. We get just a little bit more humid than that in the summertime, so this is certainly up there. It is a sticky feeling. That will help keep our temps up tonight. It's also helping to spark just a couple stray downpours down to the south. Remember, I said that boundary is still in place, so it provides a little bit of lift in the atmosphere. Some heavier downpours just south of New Philly now, just crossed 77, heading out towards Mill, and then eventually out of the viewing area. Carrollton, you're dealing with some downpours just south and east of you as well. So here's the boundary. It is now a warm front. It came in as a cold front. It's stalled. It's now going to come back north as a warm front tonight. That's going to send our temperatures surging tomorrow. The big picture, you can see frontal boundary area, low pressure out in the plains. This is going to pull that warm, even hot air up towards the north again. So we've got a warm day tomorrow, and we're also going to have some storm chances, not tomorrow, but Wednesday as that front approaches. So let's take a look at your National Design Mart hour-by-hour forecast. Lows tonight only back into the mid-60s, so that's an AC running night for many. You can see tomorrow by 8 a.m. we're already in the 70s. Some clouds, likely some low clouds hanging around tomorrow with the amount of moisture. It's hot tomorrow afternoon. You will need the sunscreen as you're heading out and about, because we will have some sunshine out there as well. But you can see temperatures approaching near 90 at times. We'll have a mix of sun and clouds. Can't rule out a stray popcorn shower or thunderstorm tomorrow afternoon. Most of us will stay dry, though, as the bulk of that activity will be off towards the west. Wednesday night is going to be a humid night. We're only falling down to near 70, maybe a little bit above 70 for a low. That will be a springboard out ahead of this front for our temperatures to head in the low 80s on Wednesday. Here comes the front with those showers and thunderstorms in here. What's that front going to do? Well, take a look at the bigger picture in terms of the humidity around here. We've got more humidity in here on Wednesday. Watch what happens when that front moves through. We bring drier, more comfortable air in, but another system comes in here Friday, bringing some pretty decent rain around here. And then setting the stage for Memorial Day weekend, we've got dry Canadian, beautiful sunshine expected. It's going to be a beautiful weekend ahead, but we've got to get through those fronts first. Union Home Mortgage 7-day forecast near 90 tomorrow. Notice the storms on Wednesday knocks us down. Pretty rainy day on Friday and Saturday, kind of raw, temps in the 60s, but that recovers with some sunshine on Sunday and Monday. Betsy, looking good for next weekend. Let's hope we can keep it that way. I think if someone were to order the menu, this would be it for next weekend.